video. Today we are back in 625 easy obby. So as you guys can see, I'm present state 340 because I played this game off screen, and this I must say they say it easy, but it's damn hard, guys. Come on, guys, join my group and you can see all the links of these games, and you can also directly skip to 500 stage out of 625. I had a deal with this games, management and stuff. So yeah, if you wanna win a prize, please let's try to skip this stage. Yo, that's so easy to skip it. Let's keep on skipping. Oh, I can only try it once. Let's go. As you guys can see, this obby is really easy for me. Let's go. I think you have to. Oh my gosh, guys. This game is such a trick. No. I am so close. I was literally so close. I think I'm stuck right here. Guys, this obby is actually easy for me. So in this, I think I don't have to touch the red lines. Oh no! It's so hard. Cancel. I have this pet. Let me remove the leaderboard. And yo guys, this is my bear. What's up? What's up, evil bay? Let's go. Like, what do you mean snow? Oh, snow? I did not know that. Let's press 3 Robux. Bro, it's too over, priced. This game right here is trying to scam me, right? Just kidding. Why would my friend scam me? The creator of this game, I know him. Guys, my dominance got disabled. As you guys can see, I got a badge. Let's go! I completed the level. Bro, this right, like literally, this obby right here is really easy, guys. Please join the game which I am playing. Guys, soon in the future we are gonna have vlogs. Who knows, we can make a vlog like literally tomorrow. And yeah guys, because I was not online in this channel for many days because we had functions to attend. Yeah, we also set up the new office. We bought a flat. We bought this flat as ours. We had to ship furniture. Like, actually we did not do it, but our parents did. So from now we have an official office. Let's go, guys. Let's go. There are beds too, but still we are not so elder persons to sleep in the office. We have bedrooms, we have TV, we have everything here, but still we have to go back to our houses. So yeah, guys. Oh no! At the last moment. No way, guys. Guys, we are also gonna drop merch, not in Roblox but in real life. If you guys gonna cop it, I'll keep the link in the description. Not now, but yeah, in the next video maybe. Who knows? We can make merch. Yeah. Our designers are still working on the logo on the t-shirt, so it may take a month maybe. Who knows? Or it will give you a surprise. In a video I'll tell it. So yeah guys, if you guys are excited, please like the video, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification of the videos whatever we make. Let's go. Yes, let's go. I made it. Excuse me, what is it showing me to go? Okay, leave it. This game kind of has glitches because yeah. Guys, I'm gonna give away a MR monkey or a NFR Shiba Inu in Adopt Me. So yeah guys, let's if you wanna win that, please comment down and comment down below that you have subscribed to Legit Legends. I mean, just kidding. There's no channel called Legit Legends. I'm in flow rate, bro. Yo, guys, please comment down below your username and also comment like I have subscribed to Roll in Roblox. Like, share, and hit the bell icon. And we will for sure give you an NFI Shiba Inu or a MR Monkey. So please, guys, comment down below out of these both pets what do you like. Bro, this obby is actually so easy. I think the video should not be so long, so I'll be ending it after some time maybe. Yo guys, let's go. uh, I think I have to complete this hobby. No. Oh no, guys, we in the future you may get live streams and also our face reveal video. Yeah, maybe you can get it. So let's get into this. No! 355 stages, dude. Are you actually kidding me? I have more stages than the emeralds I have. Let's go. Oh no, that kid's so fat there. No, let's. No, at the last sec, bro. Oh, let's go. I got this, guys. This is pretty hard for me actually. Just kidding, this is so easy, bro. Even a small child can complete this. Guys, comment down below if you think I should play Fortnite or Call of Duty or GTA. Yeah, let's see. As you guys know, at the starting of the channel, I promised you guys that I'll be making videos on these things, so stay tuned. That's why I say you subscribe, hit the bell icons, like and share. Guys, we are gonna create an academy where I will be live, maybe teach you some of you guys, how to learn play Roblox in some specific games such as Adopt Me. For starters, we are gonna be giving some FR kangaroos away or MFR ninja monkeys. Who knows? We can give anything. For the starters, whoever play Adopt Me, stay tuned. Wait for 2 months or so. We are literally gonna give away so many pets to the starters. Guys who are rich already, don't think that you guys can act smart in front of me, because Roblox will be updating everything what is your progress in your Roblox account. Bro, that was really hard. I thought this would get blended and I thought I can only go on red. And I thought it would be really easy, but no. It's really hard. I think I should end the video right now because it has been pretty long since I made this video. No, I got a stitch. Guys, I think I have to end the video right here. Bye, guys.